In today's fast-moving enterprise environment, finance and performance management systems can no longer operate in isolation. Organizations need platforms that work together seamlessly to deliver accuracy, speed, and insight. Oracle Fusion manages core financial and operational processes, but when its data flows into Oracle Enterprise Performance Management, the real power begins. Migration from Oracle Fusion to Oracle EPM creates a smooth automated connection, allowing financial and operational data to move effortlessly across systems. With Oracle EPM, businesses gain unified planning. Budgets, forecasts, and strategic plans come together in one intelligent platform, enabling better alignment between finance and business teams. Financial consolidation becomes faster and more reliable. Multiple entities, currencies, and regulatory requirements are handled efficiently, reducing manual effort and improving compliance. Advanced reporting and analytics then transform data into insight. Real-time dashboards, detailed reports, and powerful analytics help leaders make confident, informed decisions. However, technology alone is not enough. True success comes when professionals know how to implement, integrate, and use these systems effectively. That is where BISP trainings plays a key role. Through hands-on, practical training in Oracle Enterprise Performance Management, covering both cloud and on-premise solutions, BISP trainings prepares professionals for real-world implementation and 2026 certification standards. With the right training and the right tools, organizations can unlock the full potential of Oracle Fusion and Oracle EPM, driving smarter planning, stronger performance, and better business outcomes.